Hi there and welcome. Valerie Chodine here with a Vintage Book Leaves Stencil, part of the Vintage Book collection. And I'm so excited because I got to design it to fit specific sizes that we use a lot in journaling and art making. Also artist trading cards, this size, 2.5 by 3.5. Tags, great for tags, and you can even use some of the little elements for small tags. Then there's the 4 by 6 for elements like this. And I'm going to show you briefly what you can do with this. And there's many more things, and I've not layered or anything, but I think just the design of it will show the versatility of what you can do and incorporate it into your art making. These masks are included, and so I use these, and they can go all sorts of places and mask things off, and you'll see as I go, I'll show some examples. So I'm excited to get started. Now I want to do an artist trading card that looks like a vintage book. So this also fits right in here. I'm just so excited about this, that they fit like they do. So I can, oh, I don't have paint. I got all dried up there. Maybe this one will work. Okay. And then I just put this here. I could line it up anywhere, really, but this makes a nice line here, so that's why I'm choosing that. If I want to go right up to it, I could, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space and then just do this like this. I could put one of the little circles, I could put that in there, but like that if I wanted, but I don't want to. I think this is nice just like this. Okay, and then I can of course add the dots and all that. Wanted to show you that. Center that. And you know what, I think, okay, I always say I should tape it down, and I don't, but how about if I actually do it? Okay, let's see, put it here, and here, and then line it up. It will just be easier because it's a pretty tight fit, but it does fit exactly as planned. Okay, and now I could go in with my pan pastel, which I did before. Why don't I just, do I have it handy here? I think I'll just do that. Or watercolor, or I could just draw a line inside of this. And then on that, I can erase a little bit around there. Kind of a distressed. Okay. Now I do that. Now here, this fits right on here. So I can use the same tape that down. And this time I'm going to go in with some of my gold, I think. Let's see. And test it. Copper. Okay, like that. And then I can go in with this here, and I could do copper or I could do the green. Centering it as well. And I think I'll do the copper. Not sure how that will go on top of the green, but we'll see. Looks fine. Okay, there we go. I still have my tape here. And then I could go in, where's this? Like this. And I could draw a line around it. Or I could just do a little bit of the gold. Then I can choose, this could go in the center, this could go in the center. I could even do that. It might be a little crowded for that. Haven't used this one yet. So what I think I'll do is center that. And I'm going to do some of the green and some gold. Kind of mix what I have on my sponges. See how that looks. I think it needs a little more of the darker green. And I could add another color too. I'm just trying to keep it simple for this. So that looks nice. And I can always go in too with, this is a great thing for my pen. In fact, this one is probably what I'll do. I could also go in with dots, the gold dots around here and there. Oh, in fact, I think it's still wet a little bit. Just have to put a dot right there, and there, and there. I like that. Okay, I could do more, but this gives you the idea how you can layer these for multiple looks for these artist trading cards. And now I'm going to do a tag. Now, of course, a tag, I could do all sorts of things. I could just put this here like this, center it, quick and easy. I could, let's see, use this here. This fits. Okay, I could put this here and then write someone's name in there for a gift tag. Or if I wanted to put one of these in here, I could do that too. And there's also mini stencils. Let's see, that any of these can go on like this, or this, and even this. So let's say I want this stencil, the center. Okay, there's one. Here's another. This is a 4x6, and I want to show you real quick what you can do well, this is just one thing. You can do lots of things, but do with a 4x6. And here we go. So I'm just lining it up on the edge because this fits 4 inches. Okay, and then I can do a whole pattern here by lining this up. See, I want to line it up so the curve doesn't get in there. And I also want to mask it off. So what I'm going to do is what I meant to do in the other one is use that to center it. I think that's good. And then I'm going to go around this . Okay, I like that. I like this freshness and the simplicity of it. I could even just put this in here. That might be a little much, so I may put something else in there in gold, I think. Okay, there's that. So there's one more thing I do want to show you is the open book stencil. Like that, and then have some of these leaves just coming right out of it. This would make a great book plate. So you can see how interchangeable it is with others, along with, I just did this version with a bigger book here. Okay, there's that. There's just so many things that you could do. I could go on and on. I guess this even fits right here like this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Thanks for joining me for this video, and hope you'll check out the stencils. All right. Bye-bye for now.